Okay, everyone, let me show you in a few minutes, if I can, how we can help you, or how we help with some companies and families. Xyma Energy, well, we are young professional people working in providing solution for, especially for saving money. We do exactly different solutions with a different technology, and I would like to show you how we can help. So we have some of our solution in hot water with autothermal systems, heating air conditioning system with autothermal with water circuits, efficient lighting, thermal insulations, electric vehicles, installing charging stations for electric vehicles, mini wind turbines, photovoltaic solar system. And let me show you some of our solution and some example. Hot water with autothermal systems. Well, maybe some people don't know the autothermal system, but autothermal system use ambient air as energy. The ambient air gets transformed either into hot water or is used for air conditioning. The technical process is known as thermodynamic cycle. The cost of an autothermal system in general could be 3 times higher than the traditional systems. However, these systems use only 25% of the energy than a traditional system would need. That is, we can save around 75 on electricity bill to heat water or to use the air conditioning. So here we have an example with domestic autothermal equipment. This example is just to show different type, different size, just to hot water. And here we have the semi-industrial autothermal equipment. It's more, it's bigger, and it's with more equipment. Now we can see some example about the price with 80 liter, 110, 200, and 250. So the other solution is heating and air conditioning system with the same equipment, autothermal system. With this system, we can produce heating and air conditioning with, for example, underfloor heating or radiators. Efficient lighting. So, a lot of people maybe we don't know how we can reduce our electricity bill just to change some of our different lighting in our house or in a company. Here we have just an example. What is the difference between annual energy uses and annual cost? And here we have different type of lighting, but at the end we can see in LED lighting we can use 87%, and the cost right now is lower, honestly lower. So The saving we can achieve by changing any type of lighting to LED lighting would be up to 88%. So I recommend look your lighting you have in your home and change it for LED. Do it now and maybe we can. Efficient lighting with using the solar photovoltaic. It's a simple example. So now we have technology with solar panels, and at the same time we can produce light without some utility company. So we can help you if you or your company have an electric vehicle, or you are thinking to buy an electric vehicle, we can help you to install a charging station. So it's so easy. Here in the market, we have a lot of different type of this equipment. Now, let me talk about solar photovoltaic solutions. The solar photovoltaic solution is our best installation in our company, because it's we think it's simple, strong, and the life for every installation is around 30 years or 35 years, and maybe don't need if you don't need maintenance. So in this case, we can produce electricity by ourselves, private installation, solar canopies, solar pumping, agriculture, and different type of technology to produce energy. So installation with sustainable equipment have a slightly higher cost than traditional ones. However, this recovery of the investment from this type of facility is from 3 to 6 years. The durability range from 10 to 30 years. Here we have some example from some different type of our installations. So here we have, I just wanted to show you the different price, whether if you use, for example, 6 solar panels or 8 solar panels, 12 or 16. That is the estimate price. And we do in January technical and administrative process and technical document and report. And our clients is most of our clients are family homes, companies, sport facilities, agriculture, and that's our company and our solution. I hope we can help you if you are interested. Thank you, everyone.